In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly sign into your Yahoo Mail account, whether you're using a web browser or the Yahoo Mail app. Let's get started, and by the end, you'll be checking your emails with ease. First, you'll want to make sure that you have easy access to a web browser or the Yahoo Mail app, depending on your preference. If you're on a computer, the web browser works perfectly well. For those of you on a smartphone or tablet, the Yahoo Mail app might be more convenient and tailored for mobile use. Okay, now let's navigate over to mail.yahoo.com. If you're using a browser, or simply open up the Yahoo Mail app on your mobile device. Either method will direct you to the main Yahoo Mail interface, where you'll make your next moves. Next, you'll see a prompt to enter your Yahoo email address. Go ahead and type in your full email address, making sure there are no typos. Once you've confirmed it looks correct, click or tap on the next button. This step confirms your identity so that Yahoo knows which account you're trying to access. After successfully entering your email address, it's time to key in your password. Take a moment to ensure it's entered correctly, since a minor mistake could result in a login error. If you're on a personal device and want to save some time in the future, many browsers and apps have an option to remember your password. This can be handy, but be sure only to use it on devices you trust. Once you're confident in your entry, click or tap Sign In. Now, upon successful entry of your login details, you'll find yourself in your Yahoo Mail inbox. Here, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. At the top, you might notice icons for composing new emails or accessing your contacts. The main section will display a list of your received emails. Clicking on any email will open it, allowing you to read, reply, or take any necessary action on it. And there you have it. You're now logged in and ready to manage your emails efficiently. Remember, whether you're responding to important messages, organizing old emails, or just having a look around, Yahoo Mail provides the flexibility and tools you need to stay on top of your communication. You can always log out after you're done by selecting the account icon, usually located in the upper right corner, and choosing Sign Out. This is especially important if you're using a shared or public device to ensure your account remains secure. I hope this step-by-step guide was helpful and you now feel comfortable accessing your Yahoo Mail account. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.